All right, welcome back to my Facebook page or YouTube channel. So we are continuing the 1994 Waec question. So we are continuing the biology Waec question. So what we are doing is this question number 23. They say, which of the following agents is responsible for the dispersal of the seed shown above? That is the disperser of this. If you look at this seed, it has like well, the structure is somehow it is easy to be blown away by wind. So the following agent is responsible for the dispersal of the seed shown above. So the answer is wind. The answer is what? Wind. Because if you look at it, the structure is like elaborate in structure, and it can be easily be blown away by wind. So thank you for watching this aspect. So let's go to another video. That is another question rather. The structure used by fishes to detect the presence and movement of other animals by the vibration they produce is the. Now the fish, this is how the sorry for my diagram. This is the fish. It's all a freehand sketch. They have fins. They have their eyes, they have their mouths. Don't mind my diagram. So I shall try. So you can see it now. They have their mouths. Now they have something they call lateral line, and they have gills. Let's just draw the gills somehow. This is their fins. So these are gills. This is the lateral line. This is the operculum. I can still remember. Yes. So it helps in breathing. So this lateral line, the function of this lateral line, the gills is for respiration, the fins is for, and also it has scales. Those scales, like these scales, they have scales. Okay, sorry, this is the scales rather. This is scales. The gills is inside this operculum. Sorry for that error. So the gills is inside this operculum. It's not something that is visible. So the scales. So the function of the lateral line is actually, this is the lateral line. It is actually to detect vibration. That is, when you go to a river and you have disturbed the water, the fish is going to detect your presence through this lateral line. So the structure used by fishes to detect the presence of and movement of other animals by the vibration they produce is the lateral line. So our answer is option C. Not nostril, not eye, not scales, not fins, because fins is used for swimming. Let's look at number 25. Muscles are attached to bones by means of. There's nothing you need to know that bones, they are attached. Bones are attached to bones by ligaments. Take note of that. Bones are what? Attached to bones by ligaments. Bones are attached to tendons. Sorry, I still tell the answer. Are attached to muscles by tendon. So please take note of that. So that's what it does is. So our answer here is what? Option D. That is, the muscles are attached to bones by means of tendons. So our answer here is what? Option D. So option number 26. The ability of the eye to alter the focal length of the lens with regard to the distance of the object from the eye is known as. Now, there is something we call accommodation. So accommodation is the ability of your eye to adjust whether you are looking at a very far object or we are looking at a very close object. So it means your eye is going to like adjust the focal length, or it's going to like try to alter the focal length of your eyes so that you can be able to see clearly. So that's what we call accommodation. So that's not binocular vision, that's not nocturnal vision, so that's not focusing, but is accommodation. Now let's look at option 27, number 27 rather. I don't know why I keep saying option. What is the fate of the ovary of a flower after fertilization? When we are talking of ovary, it is like the female reproductive organ of flower. So maybe yes. Oval is like, oh, let me just say ovary is, it is what later develops into a fruit. So it develops into what? Develops into fruits after fertilization. While oval develops into seed. So now the question is now telling us that what is the fate of the ovary of a flower after fertilization? The fate of a flower of the ovary of a flower after fertilization is that it becomes the fruit. Hadn't been the question is oval, I will just say becomes the seed. So that's the answer for that question. So thanks for watching today's video. I will urge you to like the video, share and comment. So thanks for watching. If you are watching this on my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon so that when I drop the next video on this video, you are going to be notified. Thanks for watching. Bye. God bless you.